Okay, problem number 8 says, which statement about this equation is true? Okay, so I know that I'm going to have to put that in decimals. And if I look at the answer choices, all of them are talking about zeros, right? So I need to know what zeros are. Remember that zeros are your x-intercepts, your roots, your solutions, your rocks. So the R stands for roots. The O stands for zeros, like the number 0. The X stands for x-intercept, and the S stands for solutions. Okay, so let's go look for the solutions, the zeros for this equation. Type it in decimals. So k of x equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 15. This is what it looks like. So k of x equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 15. This is what the graph looks like. I had to zoom out in order to look at it. And then if you click on the solutions, the zeros, the roots, the x-intercepts, those are it. So it's negative 5 and positive 3. So when I go look at my answer choices, we're looking for a negative 5 and a positive 3. Zeros, negative 5 and a positive 3. Pick your answer, enter, and go to the next problem.